Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, where today we have another hand-selected vehicle to introduce to you. So as you can see, this vehicle comes in the form of a Audi e-tron 55 Launch Edition. The vehicle comes finished in the Typhoon metallic grey paintwork and is complemented absolutely perfectly by the full black leather interior. Having covered just 50,696 miles, the vehicle comes with an outstanding specification and the paintwork costing £750. As we have a walk around the exterior, you'll see the vehicle is in absolutely pristine condition. Specification wise, from the outside in, from the B pillar backwards, we have the rear privacy glass, and also coming with the glass panoramic sunroof. Favourite feature of mine with these vehicles, the door mirrors there are actually cameras, and we can see the camera just on the exterior there. So starting from the driver's door card, working our way in, on there we have the two-stage electric memory front seats, and as we scope inside, we have the full multifunction steering wheel with the piano black detailing on. The piano black detailing continuing throughout the dashboard and the centre console there. We have the virtual cockpit, a favourite of all Audi fans. We'll get a glimpse there of the full black leather interior and the sliding glass panoramic sunroof. The vehicle does come with the 360 camera as well, for making it easier to get into those tight spots. Also coming with additional factory specification, including the cruise control with speed limiter, integrated satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors. Have the electronic tailgate. The front seats are also heated, and when it's dark at night and you're opening the front doors, it has the e-tron Puddle Lights as well. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope it's been of some use, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.